Crystal Cap Cleaners, the worldwide leader in robotic paint applicator cleaning systems. In the next 4 minutes, we will explain our patented technology, then describe and show the benefits, and finally present an acquisition plan that will put our cleaners in your paint shop without capital outlay. Let us take a minute to underline the importance of cleaning during the robotic painting process. Initially, when using a manual spray gun, one must go back over the areas where the thickness of paint is not uniform. The operator could correct for missed areas. With the introduction of robotic painting, there was a reduction in contamination right away by the absence of the operator from the paint booth. The robot could be programmed to put down the same thickness of paint over the identical area each time, every time, and the operation would be consistent and flawless, providing the atomizer is clean. This is the most important element in the robotic painting process: a clean applicator, gun, or bell. If there is any contamination on the air cap or cup, or craters of old paint around the air holes, excess fluid or particles could be released into the spray, resulting in a rejected product and reduction in yield. Initially, robot manufacturers focused on efficient robots and atomizers and paid little attention to the cleaning function. As a fix, they provided a box with nozzles that drenched the bell or gun with excess fluid to flush the paint off, and then used air knives to assist drying. This was the standard for many years, until 1997. Crystal Cap Cleaners devised, patented, and brought to market a revolutionary new technology that was immediately adopted as the most efficient cleaning solution. The essence of this technology is the patented impeller system. This system allows for the ultimate in cleaning action. High-speed rotation and pulsing of air and fluid blasts the contamination from areas that cannot be reached by other cleaning systems. The Crystal Cap cleaning action does not try to wash the surfaces. Instead, the action is blasting, achieved by atomizing either water or solvent under high-pressure air. Again, other cleaners attempt to wash and dry the atomizer. Crystal Cap Cleaners blasts the contamination from all surfaces. The constant changing direction of the blast is accomplished by the rotating high-speed impeller, along with different angles of attack from the nozzles and the pulsing of the atomized mixture. To remove any residual fluid, all other cleaners take the approach of drying the atomizer. Crystal Cap Cleaners use less fluid to begin with, and takes the approach of removing the wetness first by the action of the impeller displacing the wetness from the surfaces. Then, as the atomizer exits the cleaner, the high-speed drying collar wipes away any residual drops from the surfaces with a downward and spherical motion. Besides having the ability to attack from alternating directions and create the perfect cleaning action, the nozzles that drive the impeller have a secondary function to keep the inside of the vessel wet. The drive nozzles cause the impeller to rotate and wet the vessel walls to carry away any contamination during the cleaning cycle. This enables a color change inside the Crystal Cap cleaner. By having the cleaning done within the color change cycle, there is a significant time saving, a major benefit. The small number of nozzles on the impeller and the small amount of fluid needed for the cleaning action is another benefit. The cleaner uses the least amount of fluid compared to most of the current cleaners. In fact, in many side-by-side trials of the Crystal Cap cleaner and other current cleaners, the Crystal Cap cleaner consistently demonstrated fluid savings as high as 200 milliliters. Along with the fluid savings, there is the time savings, and most important, the cost of operation savings, another major benefit. When you add the additional benefits of increased first-run yields, reduction in VOCs, elimination of booth entries, and minimum maintenance, the Crystal Cap Cleaner is a must for your paint shop. Crystal Cap Cleaners has one mission: to manufacture the very best in robotic paint cleaning machines. We constantly improve the technology. The product has worldwide support and representation. The installation and integration is easy, and the machines are available at a reasonable price. Within the past few years, robot manufacturers, automakers, and integrators have specified Crystal Cap cleaners as the cleaner of choice. This evolved from replacing the original robot maker's gun box with Crystal Cap cleaners over time. After each plant had run side-by-side comparison trials, the benefits were clear. Less fluid, less time, lowest cost of operation. The change to Crystal Cap cleaners was easily funded by the cost savings. The price of the Crystal Cap cleaner is approximately the same as the robot manufacturer's gun box. It is far less than the complicated European unit and a little more than rudimental wash boxes. Crystal Cap Cleaner is a simple, compact design made from a stainless steel vessel, stainless steel impeller, and other paint booth-friendly materials. Easy installation requires only an air supply and fluid supply of 100 psi or 5 bar pressure, and the control would be direct from the robot PLC unit, sending 3 signals to control valves. The unit has a floating seal on top that will accommodate any inaccuracies from the robot. The unit is mounted on a sprung base that again will protect from any damage from a crashing robot. The drainage system can separate air from fluid, and the fluid is recaptured by hard pipe into the plant recovery system. In plants without a solvent recovery system, the cleaner can be mounted on a pail stand. The Crystal Cap cleaner is specifically configured for each plant's requirements. The sealing collar and direction of the cleaning action is optimized to the exact positioning of the impeller nozzles and distance from the gun or bell. Crystal Cap cleaners have custom units for all gun and bell atomizers currently in operation. Crystal Cap cleaners have made it easy and affordable for their customers to evaluate the technology in their own plants by supplying the machine on a trial basis for demonstration free of charge for a limited time. When the customer has monitored the previous cost of the cleaning process before installation, then calculated the fluid savings, time savings, and cost of operation savings, the payback time can quickly be calculated. Optimizing the cleaner when it has been installed is achieved by first programming the default program. When a result is attained, start a reduction on the amount of fluid used, then proceed to cutting back on the drying cycle time. Cycle times are always within a color change. A clean dry cycle without a color change is less than 9 seconds. Crystal Cap cleaners will support your evaluation with complete technical assistance. We can aid you in writing the project for cost evaluation, optimizing cycle times and fluid consumption. We can also provide for you contact names and numbers of established customers for first-hand references. Crystal Cap cleaners are manufactured in a modern automated facility located between Hamilton and Toronto, Canada. Our quality materials, attention to details, ability to deliver worldwide on time, and reputation throughout the industry has resulted in our extensive customer portfolio. Crystal Cap cleaners, a simple patented design. Crystal Cap cleaners use less fluid. Crystal Cap cleaners clean and dry in less time. Crystal Cap cleaners have the lowest cost of operation. Crystal Cap cleaners is the solution to keeping the gun or bell contaminant-free and dry in your paint shop. We have representatives in Canada, USA, Mexico, Germany, France, United Kingdom, Australia, Korea, and India. Call us and start a free trial in the ultimate robotic paint cleaning system. Crystal Cap Cleaners Incorporated. 1-905-319-8855. Call this number and we will find a representative near you.